Step into the Kia 2019 Sorento 2.4L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.